How to start an import-export business. If you're planning to enter international trade, follow these steps. 1. Research profitable products. 2. Choose your target market. 3. Register your business. 4. Obtain required licenses and tax registrations. 5. Find reliable suppliers or buyers. 6. Learn shipping and customs procedures. 7. Arrange secure payment methods. 8. Build long-term relationships with international partners. 9. Market your products through online platforms and trade shows. 10. Stay informed about trade regulations and market trends. Tips for beginners. Start with one product category. Research market demand before investing. Verify suppliers and buyers carefully. Understand shipping costs and Incoterms. Keep complete business records. Purchase cargo insurance for valuable shipments. Stay updated on import and export regulations. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What is the simple meaning of import and export? Import means buying goods from another country, while export means selling goods to another country. Can a small business start importing or exporting? Yes. Many small businesses begin with a single product and gradually expand into international markets. Which countries are best for exporting? Popular export destinations include the United States, China, Germany, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia, depending on your product and target market. Is an import-export business profitable? Yes. With proper market research, reliable suppliers, competitive pricing, and efficient logistics, import-export businesses can be highly profitable. Conclusion. Import and export are the foundation of global trade, enabling countries and businesses to exchange goods, access new markets, and promote economic growth. Importing allows businesses to source products and materials from around the world, while exporting opens the door to international customers and increased revenue. For beginners, success in international trade starts with understanding the basics, researching target markets, maintaining accurate documentation, and building trustworthy business relationships. With careful planning and a commitment to learning, anyone can take the first steps toward a successful import-export business.